Hi, I'm Dr. Joel Schlessinger. I'm the CEO of LovelySkin.com, and I'm a board-certified dermatologist and cosmetic surgeon.
And hi, I'm Chrissy Kirsting, purchasing manager at LovelySkin.
And so Chrissy and I are here for this very exciting event, which is the newest from SkinCeuticals Tripeptide-R Neck Cream, Neck Repair. And what does the R stand for?
The R stands for retinol.
0.2% retinol. So being in a pandemic, you know, here we are, masks and all, but we're socially distanced. We're doing a lot more on our computers, a lot more on our iPads, and what happens? Tech neck. So couldn't it come at a better time? So we love the fact that we have these options for people that have neck issues. Let's talk about some of the innovations in this product. And I'll open it up a little bit. You can see it is really a nice product. You can see here it is. It's very elegant. It has a nice container. And here you go.
Yeah, thank you.
Has a really nice smell.
Yep, so that comes from just a hint of lavender oil, rosemary oil, and peppermint oil. Is going to give you that nice, very uplifting, just delicate scent.
So that peppermint is really nice. It has a nice but not overpowering smell. Now also Laosine as well.
Yes, Laosine complex 5%. A new ingredient, new technology to SkinCeuticals, really there to help increase the skin's resilience and really combat against the signs of aging, like that you might get the lines and creases from looking down at your phone.
And then, of course, 2.5% tripeptide as well.
Yes, to help with skin firmness and also to help with fine lines and wrinkles as well.
So you have those three things along with some very nice additional botanicals, and I think it's a great product. It can help to some degree with the horizontal lines on the neck.
And also discoloration.
Oh, discoloration too? So it's got a very nice array of products and ingredients, and as you can imagine from SkinCeuticals, they only come out with the best.
Yeah, and I would say it's also really great for all skin types. So oily, dry, combination, normal. Really, almost anyone can use this, and any age, you know, anywhere from someone to in their 30s on up, looking to prevent the lines and wrinkles that happen.
And what better to do during this COVID time, this quarantine time, than to make your neck look better? If you're on a Zoom call, people are looking at it, you want to have your best neck forward.
I tell you what, I've been using it since it launched last Monday, and I am really excited to see the results in the next few weeks.
Well, you already look younger to me. Well, thank you so much. Thanks, Chrissy.
Yeah.
Thanks for joining us for this exciting unboxing of this phenomenal product, the Tripeptide-R Neck Repair from SkinCeuticals. We are excited to have it. It is flying off the shelves, and we believe that you will enjoy it as well. Thank you.
Thank you.